Waves Unit 1 Class 1 Linearity and Superposition Principle. Linearity. What do you mean by linearity? So linearity is nothing but a property of a mathematical function which graphically gives a straight line. For example, you know Ohm's law, V is equal to IR. For a constant resistance, V is proportional to I. If you draw a graph between potential versus voltage versus current, then you will have a straight line. If a function represents a straight line, then this function is called linear function and this is called linearity. What is the principle of linearity? Principle of linearity. Suppose we have two or more linear solutions. Then, according to the principle of linearity, if we add up the two solutions, the solution will be a linear relation. If suppose y1 and y2 be the two solutions, if we add another the two solutions, y is equal to y1 plus y2, then if the summation of these solutions gives a solution which is linear, then this is called principle of linearity. The principle of superposition or superposition principle. What is the superposition principle? Suppose a medium is disturbed by more than two harmonic motions. Suppose this is a particle of a medium. When it is disturbed by a disturbance represented by y1, so it is displaced like this. Suppose another disturbance comes in this direction and the displacement due to this disturbance is y2. So in which direction the particle will be displaced? So it will follow the path as per rule the vector summation. You draw the parallelogram. The diagonal dot at the point of contact will give the resultant of the two vectors, two displacements. So what is the principle of superposition? Principle of superposition of waves. So if the medium is disturbed by more than one wave, then resultant displacement due to the harmonic displacements of a particle of the medium is given by the vector sum of the individual displacement. Suppose y1, y2, y3, yn are the displacement due to harmonic waves 1, 2, 3 and etc. Then the resultant displacement will be, in accordance with principle of superposition, will be y is equal to y1 plus y2 plus yn. So resultant displacement will be the vector sum of the individual displacement. So this is the principle of superposition of waves. Okay, next class. Thank you.